Logo is the most important part for any type of business. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional logo using a free website. Let's get started. If you are first time here, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To create a logo, we are going to use free logo design site. I have included the link in the video description. After clicking the link on the video description, you will see an interface look like this. Once you are here in the top right, you will see login and sign up. Click over sign up. Then type your first name, last name, email address and password, then create a free account. For me, I have already account, so I am going to log in my account. After login to your account, you will see an interface like this. So if you have already created logo, you will see your logo here, and if you want to create a new logo, click over create a new logo. Then type your company name or type your business name here. You can change it, but for me, I think it's fine for me. Click over continue. In here you will see some templates, pre-made templates that you can use without any hesitation. There are tons of templates available for you. You can select any of this template and you can customize the icon, the font, the color, everything. Here in the left menu you will see some categories, so you can select your business category from the left menu. Like if your business is food and drink related, you can click over food and drink, then it will show you some food and drink related template. If you are retail store, you can click over retail, then here you will see some logos idea. Let's select this one for me. After selecting a template, then you will see the main editing panel. Here is the editing panel where we can edit anything we want. We can change the text, we can change the color, we can change the icon. Everything we can change here. Let's select the icon, and in the top right you will see color. Select the color, then change the color. Color have been changed. Or if you want to change the icon, simply remove the icon, press the delete button or backspace and click over add icon and search icon that you want to add for your logo, and simply you can scale clicking over here. Now select the item and change the color. So we have changed everything, color, and if you want you can change the font also. Select the font, and here is the font icon, and click over this pencil icon. Here is some font that we can use for our logo. So once you think everything is perfect for you, the next step is to download the logo. So this is our final logo and we are going to download this logo now. In the top right you will see download menu or download button. Click over the download button. After clicking the download button, you will see an interface look like this. So here is the suggested one, low resolution and free. You can click over the download, it's instantly download on your PC. If you click over the image, then you will see here is your image that are ready to use on your Facebook, on your website and on your social media creative or your business card. So this is the site that you can use to create a free logo. I think it can help you to start a business, and you can use this site and you can download the free one. So if you want, you can purchase the high resolution one that will cost you some dollar, and if you are happy with this resolution, then you can download the free one. I think this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected.